ingqungquthela yaminyaka yonke yeNedlac yalunyaka udaba olutshisa ibunzi lokuphoqa kwabantu ukuthi bagonyelwe ukhuvethe luhlabahlosile.
The finalization of discussions around mandatory vaccination. I believe that Nedlac has provided clear advice in this regard. And let me quote, the Nedlac social partners represented in the Nedlac Rapid Response Task Team believe that the promotion of vaccines remains the most significant intervention to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 and lockdowns. To intensify the vaccination program and in response to the President's call, they've had extensive and urgent discussion over the last week and made proposal to the government through the Net Joints that the health and safety direction of the Department of Employment and Labour should be strengthened so that vaccination can become mandatory where a risk assessment at the workplace requires this.
Lokhu kulandela isimemezelo sikaMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesonto elidlule sokuthi uhulumeni usesungule ithimba elizocubungula indlela okungenziwa ngayo ukuthi kuphoqwe umphakathi ukuthi ujove ukuze kunqande ukubhebhetheka kokhuvethe kuleli. iNedlac iqinisekisile ukuthi isisithathile isinqumo ngalolu daba.
The social partners have agreed, that is organized business, labor and community, that to promote vaccinations and protect the country from lockdowns, workplaces should require employees to be vaccinated to enable occupational health and safety, and that there needs to be access restricted to certain venues, events and gatherings only to vaccinated people. That message has been conveyed to the Net Joints for further deliberation within government.
Ekhuluma kuyona ingqungquthela yeNedlac, unobhala jikelele weCOSATU uBheki Ntshalintshali uthe umfelandawonye wakhe wezinyunyana awuhambisani nokuthi abantu baphoqwe ukuthi bajove, kodwa bayeseka imizamo yokuqhakambisa ukubaluleka kokugomela isifo sokhuvethe ezweni. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, eGoli.